Damn, the battery is dead on this one too. Shit. What's up guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to try to take the power steering pipes off so I can try to make some new ones or get somebody to make some new ones. So that's basically it for today. Damn, the battery is dead on this one too. Shit. I found this almost new battery that I will try to connect with this one and hopefully it will work. So let me try to put you here. Woo, it's windy. Let us see if this works. Come on, please. Yeah, man. Woo. This is a nice car. Oh my god, it can start every time. Well, yeah, except the battery was dead, but nice. So here we have it. So now I just have to lift it up and try to take the wheels off so I can have some room to remove the pipes. So I tried to remove the pipes without removing everything else, but I could see that you have to remove, like put the power steering down before you can remove the pipes. So it's going to be a bigger project than I expected. So right now I'm going to try to put this on the pipe and put something else in here and try to fasten it, and maybe it will help just for now. So I can drive a little bit around. I know this is a strange thing to do, but I will try it, and if not, well, then I tried. Well, nope, it's too tight to put anything in there, so damn, now I have to find a lift so I can lift the car up. So here's the deal. I actually have tried to order some pipes for the power steering, and I actually got it from Volvo, but it was the wrong ones. So I talked with them, they tried to find the right ones, but unfortunately you can't get them anymore. So the only thing I can do is try to find someone who can make some new pipes. It's going to be really hard. Not so hard maybe, but I don't know, it's a long process. I don't know why, but I have thought about maybe I should sell it. And hear me out, it's just because I already have my Nissan that I have to put in shape, and sometimes it's just hard to fix two cars. So yeah, so I don't know, maybe I will try to sell it for a good price, and if not, I will just keep it and just work on the Nissan for now. But I don't know, let me know what you think. Yeah, that's the pipe situation with the power steering. So maybe I will try to find someone who can just do the work for me, because I think this is going a little bit too slow for me right now. So thank you very much for the 30 subscribers. It means a lot to me. So if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe down below, and see you next time. Bye.